Open it up. Here, rip it open. Here, tear it right here. Here you go. Tear it open. What is that? Look, Cheryl, look. Pull it up. No, Cheryl, come here, honey. Whoa! What is that?
Mama!
Is that a toilet? A potty? Nothing's in there. You got a dollhouse. Wow, with a mommy and a daddy and a baby. Yeah. How fun. Do you like it?
Baby!
Whoa.
Baby!
Yeah. Is that hair? And the mama? Look at all these other toys. You're just so lucky. Is that a kitchen? Is that a sink? And a fridge? Can you open the fridge? Look, you can open the fridge. Wow. How fun. You like it, Cheryl? Yeah? How about you, June? Are you happy? How about you, Nathan? Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. All these stuff. Oh, we didn't even open our stockings. We got stockings to open too. All right.